there, welcome to VCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 10 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, write a Java program to implement a simple calculator using a switch statement. So this is something new and which we will learn today. The input format must be 3 values separated by space. The first one is num1, the second one is operator, and the next one is num2, where num1, num2 are the decimal numbers and operator is one of the following, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division or remainder. So this is the modulo. And the output format must be the result of the operation based on the provided operator. So simply we need to make a simple calculator using a switch statement. So let's find out what is the switch statement. So switch case we say it. So this is an efficient way instead using this is an efficient way of writing the if-else statements without using the if-else keywords. So here we use something called switch keyword. So the basic syntax is, so first of all we have a switch keyword and we have braces. So here goes the expression. So this expression can be some value or whatever, and now the braces are opened. Here we have case 1. So case, so here we have the value 1 and here we have the colon. So this value is the value of the expression. So it can be any integer or a character or a string, anything. If the expression's value is this value here, this case is true and the statement inside this is executed. If this is not true, then it will go to the next case. So it will find again if the value there is equal to the expression. So I am giving here inverted commas to check if the value here is equal to this expression, and even if this is not true, the statement here will not be executed and it will go to the next case statement. So we can have many cases as possible, and finally if none of them are true, we have something called a default case. If none of the statements, none of the cases are true, then the default case would be executed and some statement could be written here and that would be executed. So this is the basic syntax of how we write switch case statements. Before that, after every case, after every statement is implemented here, we need to have here the break statement. So if not, if break isn't written here, then all the other cases would also be implemented. So this break indicates that we need to stop the execution right after this statement is implemented. So if let us take this case A is true, then the statement would be implemented or executed. Then there is a break statement. That means the execution is stopped here itself and these cases won't be executed. So after every case, the end of every statement needs to have this break statement. So here we come to the end of the syntax of the switch statement. Let us see how to write the code for the simple calculator. Let me first create a Java file naming simple calc.java and let me write the main method. So first of all, let me create the scanner object. So now we will import the 3 values. So first of all, let me write the double num1. So this is for the first number, sc.next double, and next what we have is the operator. So let me give the string data type for the operator, sc.next. So for the string it is next only. Now let's write the num2 and that's it. So we have taken the 3 inputs from the user. Now we'll write the switch statements. So switch, what will go in here is the operator. So as I said, this can be anything. So So here, based on the operator, we will change the operations here. So what must be the first case? The case 1 is the plus. So if this operator is equal to plus, this statement would be executed. So S out num1 plus num2 would be printed. After this, we have a break statement. So this is the case 1. So what is case 2? Case 2 is minus. So similarly, I will write for this and break, and here case of multiplication, and I will do the multiplication. And let me finish all of this. So here it is num1 divided by num2, break, and case modulo finds the remainder. So now we have num1 modulo num2 and break. So finally we have the default case. So this will be executed when the user haven't inputted the correct valid operator. So enter a valid operator, break. So that's it, and finally we will close the object. So this is the code, and now let's see the implementation of it. Let me run the code. So first of all, let's compile the file javac simplecalc.java. So you can see here the code has successfully compiled. Now let me run the file simplecalc. So what shall we give? So let me give the input as 3 plus 2. So here we need to ensure that there is some space between them. So 3 plus 2, what must be the output? The output must be 5. So look at this, we have got the output as 5. So let's run the file again. Let me give 5 into 4 this time. The output must be 20. So look at this, we have got 20. So we have successfully built a simple calculator using the switch case statements. So that's it for this video. Do join the WhatsApp group to get more updates on the 100 days of coding challenge by VCode. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.